Hello friends, Supratic Trust presents Love Bird series, and I'm your friend Bikash with the 26th episode of the story. In the last episode, we saw small children playing in the snow. Next day, when Nisha went to school, she learned that a student from her class had a high fever and was admitted to the hospital. The principal told Nisha, "Please go to the hospital and meet the child. The other children will be happy if you do that. And it will also be an opportunity to see Japanese medical facilities." When she arrived at the hospital, Nisha was shocked to see Haru, the boy who was admitted, running around the hospital, creating a great commotion. The nurse tells Nisha the boy is very active and has captured everyone's heart. Looks like he's having great fun. He's being treated for stomach infection. Nisha asked, "And what about medicine for fever?" The nurse explained to her, "We do not give antipyretics, the medicine for fever, as long as a child is energetic and drinks plenty of water. It may happen that the sick child is not able to eat, and then we give him food in liquid form. The body fights disease through heat. We know that the virus or the bacteria cannot withstand the high body temperature. So, if a baby can tolerate this temperature, then it is good for his body. An adult cannot tolerate this high body temperature, unlike the children." On the way back, Nisha discussed with the senior teacher, "I think Haru fell sick as he was playing outside in the snow. I feel very bad about it." The teacher smiled and said, "There's nothing to be scared of. Getting sick is good for children." Nisha was surprised again and continued, "Why? In our school, we encourage people to play outside even when it's cold," said the teacher. Furthermore, she says, "Water, soil, and snow boost children's immunity." Nisha felt like she learned a new lesson today. In India, we are overprotective. We do not allow children to play in mud or water or in the cold. They don't realize that overprotection weakens a child's immune system. We really do not understand the concept of immunity. In the future episodes, we will see more details about this unique concept of hoikuen. But soon, the couple will take an exciting trip to the snow-covered Hokkaido. I'm sure you will also enjoy this exciting trip to Hokkaido. That's it for this story. See you in the next episode.